Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to make your Instagram account public. This means that your profile and post can be seen by anyone on and off of Instagram, even if they don't have an Instagram account. Now, to do that, we'll first go to your profile page, like I have here. Once you're here, look over here on the upper right-hand corner. Do you see these three bars? Click on those. And then go over here where it says Settings. Then click over here where it says Privacy. And then you see over here where it says private account, you can switch that to public. So I can, right now it's blue, it means it's on. When I turn it off, it's gonna be gray, switch to public. There we go. That's how you can switch your Instagram account to a public account. If you have any other questions, leave them in the comment section below. And definitely don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching.